Hello, welcome to my channel. We are learning in construction of quadrilaterals in the 8th standard mathematics. So practical geometry, this is the chapter. In this chapter we are going to learn construction of quadrilaterals. There are so many methods of there are so many types are there for constructing the quadrilaterals. Among them we are already learned this when four sides and one diagonal is given. This is we are already learned in the previous video. And the second one is when two diagonals and three sides are given. This is second method of constructing the quadrilaterals. And third one is when two adjacent sides and three angles is given. And the fourth method is when three sides and two included angles are given. And the fifth one when other special properties are given. These are the four methods of constructing the quadrilaterals. By using these methods we are going to construct the quadrilaterals. Among them these five methods, we are already learnt the first method when four sides and one diagonal is given. In the previous video we are already learnt about this. The second method, this is the second method we are going to learn in this video when two diagonals and three sides are given. See here one example. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 4.5 cm, AD is equal to 5.5 cm, CD is equal to 5 cm, and the diagonals AC is equal to 5.5 cm and BD is equal to 7 cm. See, there are three sides and two diagonals are given. This is the topic in this video. We are going to learn how to construct the quadrilaterals. First we have to construct a rough sketch for this construction of quadrilateral. Just draw a quadrilateral like this. Just draw the rough sketch for this quadrilateral and the name here. See, they are given two diagonals, so that we are directly we can draw the diagonals in this quadrilateral and name the quadrilateral here. I am taking first, it is A, and this side is B, and this is C, and finally D comes here. This is ABCD is a quadrilateral rough sketch of this quadrilateral. Here AB is equal to given, that is 4.5 centimeter, and AD, the side AD is given, that is 5.5 centimeter, and also the side CD is given, that is 5 centimeter. And the diagonals, look at that diagonals AC and BD. This is exactly a rough sketch. By using this rough sketch we are going to the real quadrilateral. See that rough sketch. What is the base? Base is AB. What they are given? AB is given, that is 4.5 centimeter. By using the ruler, just draw the base of this quadrilateral, that is AB, 4.5 centimeter. Look at that, 4.5 centimeter as the base of this quadrilateral. After that, one more side, that is AD, from point A to D. Look at that rough sketch. This is A and this is B. AB is the base of the quadrilateral. See that rough sketch, and they are given AD from A to D, they are given 5.5 centimeter. Using the compass, just take the measurement, that is 5.5 centimeter as one more side of this quadrilateral. Just measure this, taking 5.5 centimeter as one more side of this quadrilateral. This is 4.5 centimeter. Take the measurement. See once again. Exactly, this is 4.5 centimeter and fixed at A. Just draw an arc at fixed end at A. Just draw an arc. I don't know where it comes the point D exactly, but I just taken this side AD, that is 5.5 centimeter. And next one is, so we can't draw the CD directly. That's why I am taking the diagonals. AC and BD, they are given. I am taking here the point D comes already, and take the BD, B to D, B to D. Here comes the point D, so that taking the 7 centimeter as diagonal of this quadrilateral, just draw a arc to cut the first one. Taking the measurement here, that is 7 centimeter. What it is 7 centimeter? How it comes 7 centimeter? This is, they are given the diagonals of this BD, so that fixed at B, just cut the first arc. Here comes the point D. Yes, look at this. Here the point of contact of these two arcs means here the point of contact, that is called D. Just name here, this is point D, so that we get point A, B and D. What is next? Just connect to this AD and BD. It's looking like a rough sketch of the quadrilateral, so that one diagonal and two sides are over. See, next one, what we have to do, CD is given and AC is given, so that just take the measurement AC. AC also given, that is 5.5 centimeter. So after that, draw diagonal AC, that is 5.5 centimeter. Take the measurement here, 5.5 centimeter as diagonal of this quadrilateral. Taking the measurement there, it is 5.5 centimeter. Fixed at A. Draw an arc. We don't know the point of C, exact point of C. This is from A to C. We don't know exact point of C. And next one is BD, CD. The remaining sides is BD and CD. We know that according to rough sketch, CD from D point to C, CD is 5 centimeter. So that take the measurement 5 centimeter from D to C. Take here measurement C 5 centimeter from point D. Just cut the arc at point C. I don't know where it comes the point C. Here it is the point of contact of both the arcs. Here the point of contact of both the arcs, that's why here comes the point C. This is point C, and just draw this both the sides, that is C to D or D to C, and connect to this BC. BC is not given, but just connect to the point B and C, and a diagonal AC. Look at this. This is the given quadrilateral. What's they are asking? A, B, C, D, and two diagonals BD and AC. They are given AB, AD, CD, and AC and BD.